Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can decorate in Geometry Dash. So building your level and decorating in Geometry Dash is a totally different experience. Basically, it will take you a little bit of time in order to get creative when decorating in Geometry Dash, but there are simple methods that you can apply to instantly make your build start looking better. So normally you will build using this simple blocks right here. Now this is all right, but of course we can add more details in order to make them a little bit better. Now, as you can see, by adding simple borders using this simple stripes or lines right here, will make our build better. And from there, of course, we can then keep adding stuff. Because as you can see, if you navigate through this specific block right here, and if we do something like add a gradient color or a glow effect onto the build itself, maybe let's go ahead and add this one. It will basically instantly make our build even better. And that's not where you stop. You can basically add additional effects or graphics by heading over to this simple tabs right here. And let's say that we want to add some chains onto the build itself. Of course, you can do that, and basically from there, by doing the simple steps, you will be able to design your level even better. As you can see with this one, I have added the simple border effect, and I've added some gradient or glow effect on the block itself. And from there, I've added some minor details like chain, this specific item right here, this simple lines inside the block, and I've added some minor spikes beside it. Now from here, this is where you will spend most of your time, because if you add something like this simple block right here, it will basically make your design better that instant. As you can see, this block is way better than this simple blocks right here. And so guys, you can just apply these following steps in order to make your decorations in Geometry Dash even better than before. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.